Hey guys, this is Fundo on Phakade. Tonight on Imbewu, Mrs. Price does not want her son a to be a happy husband. Kuleko wants MaZulu to hand over her seat to him as a CEO. MaZulu comes to Phakade to offer him 5% of her shares in exchange for his support in the bedroom. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.
Who's gonna walk you through the dark side of the morning? Who's gonna rock you when the sun don't let you sleep? Who's waking up to drive you home when you're drunk and not alone? Just gonna walk you through the dark side of the morning. Just